In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tunnelbear VPN on your phone, whether you have an iPhone or an Android device, in just a few easy steps. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to ensure your internet browsing is secure and private. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Tunnelbear's official website. That's www.tunnelbear.com. Once you're there, look for the Login button, which you can usually find in the top right corner of the home page. Click on Login to proceed. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can always sign up on this same page by following the sign-up instructions provided there. Once logged in, you should be directed to Tunnelbear's home page, where you can see all the information about your account and services. From here, navigate back to the main Tunnelbear page to access their secure VPN services. This step is crucial because it lays out all the options available for securing your internet connection. Now, you're going to want to download the application to your phone. So let's move over to the download section of the site by looking for either download or devices. Click on download, and this should lead you to a page displaying options for different devices. Here, you'll notice several options. Look for the button or link pertaining to mobile. By clicking on mobile, you'll be presented with the app download options specific to your phone, either through the App Store for iPhone users or Google Play Store for Android users. Select the appropriate option depending on your device, and this will take you directly to the App Store page. Once the Tunnelbear app is downloaded and installed on your phone, open it and log in once more using the credentials you've just entered on the website. This login process will link the app with your account, enabling full access to your VPN service. Upon successfully logging in, you'll see a map interface with a slider that helps you connect to a VPN server. Toggle this slider to on, and Tunnelbear will automatically connect you to the fastest available server. You'll typically receive a notification confirming that you are now connected to the VPN. And there you have it. With Tunnelbear now active, your internet connections are secured, providing you a safer browsing experience. Remember, keeping your data private is crucial, and using a reliable VPN like Tunnelbear is a solid step towards achieving that. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Stay safe online.